Let's see the question. Evaluate double integration y dx dy over the area bounded by y is equal to x square and x plus y is equals to 2. So this is again double integration where limits are not given. Now the equations are given. Y is equal to x square and x plus y is equals to, so parabola. Y is equal to x square is a parabola, even power of x, so symmetric about y axis. So see the parabola, this is our parabola, symmetric about y axis, and the equation of line x plus y is equals to 2. So you can find with the help of this, for finding the intersection point you can use this method. We'll get x is equals to -2 and x is equals to 1. Otherwise we may get 3 to 4 points of x. After putting into this equation we'll get 3 to 4 points of y, so that if we plot those points we'll get the same equation of line intersecting at this curve. So coordinate of this curve is -2, 4, intersecting at this coordinate of this point is 1, 1. So this is our curve with the intersection. Now what about region? So intersection region is this shaded region, into which we have to find this double integration. Now here we have taken strip parallel to y axis because we want integration first with respect to y. Now what about the limits? For finding the limits of y, starting point of the strip which is on a curve, that is y is equal to x square, so lower limit is x square, to ending point of the strip which is on a line, so y is equal to 2 minus x. So see here, so the innermost integration with respect to y first, and the limits are x square to 2 minus x. Now what about the limits of x? So outer integration is with respect to x. So the limit of x will move this strip from point towards the point to cover a whole region, so that will move the strip from -2 to 1. So this is -2 to 1. So outer integration with respect to x is -2 to 1. If we solve the integration first with respect to y, then we'll get the equation. Then further integration with respect to x from -2 to 1. After solving the integration we'll get the answer 36 divided by 5. Now this is the integration first with respect to y and then with respect to x. We can solve the same integration by taking a strip parallel to x axis. In this we have to consider the curve, same curve, but there will be a partition. So this is the partition with this horizontal line, y is equal to 1. So this is the region area A1, we can say region A1, and this is the shaded region A2. So for this region, if you want to take a strip parallel to x axis, so we have to take two strips for that complete region. So this is the strip first and this is the strip second. Now see, for finding double integration y dx dy same, we have to find the two double integrations. So on shaded region A1 and shaded region A2. So for region A1, see integration first with respect to x. So limits of x, starting point of the strip which is on a curve. So this we want x is equals to root y. So this is minus root y to plus root y. So here it is minus root y to plus root y. And outer integration with respect to y. So that limits move the strip from point towards the point to cover a region. So from 0 to 1, y is from 0 to 1, so it is 0 to 1. So this is the double integration over region A1. Double integration over the region A2. So that same, if we will take the strip, starting point of the strip, again the same minus root y to equation of a line, we want x is equals to 2 minus y. So these are the limits of x. And outer integration with respect to y, so that will move the strip from 1 to 4, so that cover region A2. So this is 1 to 4. This is the double integration over region A2. So if we take a strip parallel to x axis, we have to take two strips. We'll get the same answer as 36 divided by 5. Thank you.